all you're gonna get. You can go back and order whatever you want. But whatever you prefer, you have that. So I think that's a gourmet, so we call it sparkling gourmet brunch. A bit about Prosecco. Some of you are new today. Welcome all of you, especially those people who are here for the first time. We have this event once a month, sometimes more. So we've had, in the last 12 years, we've had 227 events. Today is 228. We number our events. They're all on the website, delhiwineClub.com, and everything, pictures, galleries, everything is there. The event, the menu, everything. So today we have got 3 Proseccos and 1 Rosé. People call it Prosecco, but I'll tell you the part there. And then Champagne finally. Prosecco is a beautiful area in Italy between Veneto, where you go to, like Venice is in Veneto, and then on top you go northward into an area called Friuli. Between Veneto and Friuli, there is a small province called Treviso. And Treviso has 2 beautiful cities, Conegliano and Valdobbiadene. Now this is a 27-kilometer stretch, and I can share with you that for years I used to dream about the place, looking at pictures, reading articles on that place. It was so beautiful. I think it's if you don't know Tuscany, this side, eastern side, northeastern side is the best part of Italy. And so this 27-kilometer stretch is full of mountainous areas, and it's known for Prosecco, only Prosecco. Now Prosecco is made from some grape. Anybody knows what grape? Okay. I'm glad, because something relatively new. So 2009, laws changed in Italy. It was, the grape itself used to be called Prosecco, and the wine used to be called Prosecco. For hundreds of years they've been making it. So the grape actually is called Glera, but that was the local name, and it changed to Prosecco because it became very popular. And today it's the fastest growing sparkling wine in the world. And according to me, within the next 5 years it will overtake champagne in terms of the consumption. And the reason is very simple. Most of the places in the world, champagne is a bit too expensive, and Prosecco is lighter and easier to digest for like lunches like this. It's great. So I think people are shifting more to Prosecco. The growth is a lot more. So people started making Prosecco in California, in Australia. So you know, the Italians got the fund. They went to the EU and they complained and the courts and everything. And they said, no, this is made from Glera, this is Prosecco, this is DOC, Italian wine, and we want to have this registered as a GI. And so it was done. So today, you find Prosecco only in this area in Treviso, basically in Conegliano and Valdobbiadene. If you ever go to Venice, I strongly recommend you rent a car. It's 50 kilometers north of Venice. It's a beautiful drive all around. You'll love it, and you can visit hundreds of these wineries. So today, the concept is a little different. We have lots of food, lots of wine, sparkling wine.